go inside? Oh, parang sa Cebu. Pool. Oh, saan na tayo? We're in a different area. Look, on tayo rito ko, that bird, oh. Ang ganda. We need to go up. We need to go from that side.
Yeah.
Ito. First time di ko nakapunta dito dati, B. Ngayon pa napuntahan to. Saan? Agad to ko. Ano rin sila? Kulay ano rin? Pink din. Ang laki ng bill nila. Ano ganda bill? What kind of bird is this? Wow! Ay, tingnan mo. Tinitin na small fish. Look at this, oh. Rat, laki, oh. Mga duck, oh. Naging duck. Ganito rin din kila Noel, hindi natin napuntahan. Ganito lang din yung kila Noel. Dami ibon naglalakad-lakad, nakakatuwa. Hindi sila mahilap. Ganito ka this, oh. Wow. Oo, nata-chicken. There's one more here, oh. Ito, malapit lang. She's hiding from me. Don't run away from me. Yun. Ayun, oh. I'll come back. This way. Hindi ko pa nakita ito dati. Ngayon ko pa lang sila nakita. Ganda nito, oh. No, you can't look. They have a play to eat, no? It's not allowed.
Maybe in the top.
Hey, don't go outside. It's not allowed.
Peacock mo na.
Peacock. Hindi yung peacock.
Anong peacock?
You can ask her, what kind of bird is this?
This one is a Victoria Crown Pigeon.
It's a pigeon. Wow. Ganda, no? Any birds upstairs? No. There is. There is. Look. Ay, meron isa doon. Anong ibon yan? Ito, oh. Wow. Let's go up first. We can explore. Ayun, maganda ganto. B. Tulog, oh.
Dalawa sila din. Kita mo sila.
Camouflage. Ay, ano ito?
Dalawa, camouflage.
Ito, oh.
Camouflage.
Maganda rin pala dito. Ito pa, B, oh, maganda, oh. Ito, B, oh. Oh. Wow. B. Ito, oh. Sari manok. Sari manok. Ito, sari manok.
Ganyan.
Wow.
That is
It's called sari manok.
Malaki.
Saan?
Sweet nila. Hindi sila lumilipid. Big yun.
Yung sari manok. ABS-CBN.
Hi. Okay, okay, Daddy.
Hey, there's there. Ganda dito, guys. Yung mga animal nasa ano lang, pag-alagala lang. Nasaan na yung sari manok? I like this one, no? Sari manok. Ang ganda ng chicken. Mother, she's gonna feed them. Nilagyan nila ng pagkain. Aviary kasi ito, guys. Section na to. Aviary. Ang ganda ng area, no? Saan? Ah! Ito pa, oh. Oh. Oh, look at the birds. They're just one. Nakawala lang sila. Diba? I like it here. Ang ganda ng lugar. Diba, guys? They're just flying around us. Moving everywhere. Ito pa, natutulog kung kulay pa, no? Ayun, no? Kulay puti. go up. Ah, this is the exit. Let's go from the other side. Okay, okay. We also have a parrot here. Oops, it's after me. And we have this girl bird here. Lipad pa. Sa aviary tayo guys, continuation lang. Ito na yung parrot to, nakakatawa oh. Ah! Wow! Look at this two bird oh. Oh, nice. Hello! Look at them oh. Just in front of us. Ah! Oh! This is a red one. And look at this one, it's a white one. Yeah, it's the same like this. They're just flying over. Ah, they're feeding here. Hello. Oh, look at it too. Wow. I like this. I like it very much.
I don't follow this.
Oy, oy, oy. Si Dugong, magpapakain si Dugong. Tuburan. Mommy's feeding it. Calling the bird. More birds here guys, look oh. You can't see because the color is also green. Matibay zoom, ang dami oh. Meron pa oh sa taas. Let me zoom in para makita nyo. Ayan. Kaso against the light kasi. Maybe if I'll go from this side. Uy, lapit talaga na lapit sa atin to. You miss? You're so friendly, huh? You want to? You're always following us. Why? What do you want, baby? I'm trying to take a video of the other birds, not always you. Ito, oh. Pasikat to. Ah, look at the two white birds, oh. Anyway, bye-bye.